Hello, my name is Rohit and my team member's name is Sahithi, Simran and Atish. We are the Bongs and we took part in the dorm room hackathon, which is an overnight hackathon, and the problem statement given to us was smart rooms. So over the night we researched in Dell, we talked to our team members, we interacted with as many people as we could, and we came up with some statistics. Some of them being that there are 172 rooms, meeting rooms in Dell 4. So if we even have 10 meetings every day in one single meeting room, we are having around 2000 meetings in a day in Dell 4. So in every meeting, a person usually spends around 15 minutes to write down the minutes of the meeting and write down whatever is important, and basically he cannot concentrate on to the meeting when he's writing all of that down. So what we have done over here is to cut down that 15 minutes to 5 minutes, and hence we're saving 10 minutes in every meeting. So 10 minutes in every meeting would count up to 20,000 minutes in a whole day that we're saving, and as we know, time is money. So yes, we're saving money too. So, with this problem statement, we thought about more use cases and talked to more people. So, the most common problems faced by people here usually are that a broom is booked and it goes unused by somebody as they do not attend that meeting, or the meeting's cancelled but they do not cancel, like they do not unbook the meeting. So what happens is that nobody else can also use the room. But sometimes the meetings occur, but they occur for a larger duration. So the person who booked it for the later duration isn't able to attend the meeting and has conflict issues with the previous meeting. Now also, at some points, the booked rooms are occupied by other people who have not booked the room, and basically there is another conflict that arises. So, as we come forward to the solutions, we have integrated an end-to-end smart room facility which automates the whole process from booking a meeting room to making the meeting interactive by pair programming features and also jotting down the minutes of the meeting. So we have designed an IoT enabled room which uses a beacon which operates using low level Bluetooth energy signals. It has a proximity, heat, and light sensor, which using which we can detect if anybody is present in the room, the temperature of the room, and also triangulating the location of the room. We have made an app which helps us book the meeting rooms according to our needs and features. Once booked, we get linked to the beacon present in the room and a meeting ID is generated. Only the people present in the meeting will have access to connect to that specific beacon. We have also configured an Armtronics chipset which is connected to the hardware present in the room. Our app is integrated with it, so once we come into the room, the beacon can sense us and will enable the chipset to turn on lights, AC, and monitors in the room automatically. We can control the same using the app. In the next slide, you can see the demo of the same where we use the app to book the meeting room and how the IoT setup works out.
Rohit, I think we need to schedule a meeting to discuss the technology stack for this project. It's pretty urgent.
Cool, let's book a meeting for it then.
Sure.
Let's use the app.
Yeah.
So when do you want to set up the meeting for?
So tonight, as soon as possible.
Okay, so I think
Yeah.
I'll set it for 8.
Yeah, 8 a.m. Okay? Yeah. And we need a projector and video conference, so we'll check those options as well. And
So we have super set available.
yeah,
It has a capacity of 30 people. We are around 20, 25.
25, so that'll be perfect. And has a projector and video conference.
Cool, so let's book this room for us.
We got our meeting ID.
Proceed.
Let's walk in. Yeah, we reached the conference room.
Oh, that's nice.
We have a few more additional features for the app. If you want a specific meeting room, we can be added to its wait list and we will be notified once the meeting is over. If there is no one present in the room and the room is booked, it will send a notification to the meeting manager saying the meeting is going to be cancelled if you don't reach in the next 10 minutes. We can also add new members to the meeting. Now, coming to the Skype transcriber, I'll show you in the next slide the demo of it.
Hello, say something.
Hello,
Hi.
I think this is working fine now.
Yeah, seems like it.
Let's go ahead with this then.
Sure.
Right then.
Let's conduct a meeting tomorrow night.
So what the Skype transcriber does is it'll record the whole meeting, it'll make a summary and a transcript of it, and it'll figure out what are the action points in the minutes of the meeting. Like if somebody says that Rohit, I want to send a mail to you, and after this meeting is over, we'll finish up the user stories. So that will come up as an action point. So we used IBM Watson for the same to naturally process what action points are there present once we convert it from voice to text. IBM Watson provides a very good natural language processing tool. As you can see on the screen, if you see, there's a transcript that says action point 1, finish the documentation and send me a mail. Action points to finish the user stories, which will further read what's there in the action points and will fire an intent, which will do as the action point says, like sending a mail or sending a file. We have also made an interactive coding platform which enables pair programming, which is more like the idea of a smart whiteboard present in a meeting. We can use this to code concurrently even if we are having a meeting from different countries. We talk to a lot of people in our team and out of our teams, and a lot of other people said that they get bored during a meeting because it's monotonous and it's not interactive enough. So if someone wants to share something, they can easily use this to interact with the whole meeting and basically have an overview of what's going on in a screen in front of them. This makes sharing, coding, and working together a lot more easier. Here is a demo of it. So we generate a link with a specific ID, and that link has to be opened by the other users also. And we can all code concurrently. As you can see, if I'm writing something on the left screen, it's getting displayed on the right screen. Or if I'm writing something on the right screen, it's getting displayed on the left screen.